It'll be all right here.
She was like, what about the flank in the car? I was like,
that's why next year I'm gonna sign up for all. This will be up.
So if I have questions this week, and I'll.
Good job. Now when you get good job. There you go. Square up. Good. Deep. Good. Horse. Go. Swing like that. No. Square up. Good. Whip. In the middle right there. Upfield shoulder. Nice job. Good. You're on the corner.
Down right.
Ready. Go.
there you go. Way to get to the middle. Good.
Strong right.
Reggie. Go. Hole. Get in the hole. Good job upfield shoulder. Nice job. Good job. Hey, DB.
First flip. That one you got to go.
Run.
Keep going.
Good job. Finish.